So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a fingerprint on VIVO Y28. To add a fingerprint, go to Settings, then in Settings go to Security here, and then click on Fingerprint. Then enter your screen lock, start enrollment, agree, and now place your finger on the sensor. It's on the power button. I'm gonna use my right thumb, place it, and then release, and do that multiple times. Remember to move your finger between each scan so it scans the whole area. You can also adjust your grip halfway through, so you can adjust it for different grips so it always works. And now it is scanned. You can click on Done. And now whenever you lock your phone, you can unlock it by simply tapping on the sensor. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.